Hiya guys, so this is the continue on for my doing the shopping with my son. Got his shopping out of the way. He's looking so forward to wearing his new clothes, and he's a bit picky, but hey, we got it out of the way, so now it's time to do my mukbang, guys. So if you can see, I have here chicken wings, I have here one of these red sausage thingy, spring rolls, and the sweet and sour sauce. Yep. And I forgot to bring my fried rice, but never mind. Let's eat it like this. But it's time to say the prayer, guys. Okay, guys, and look at this. I have a bubble tea for my drink today. So I always thank the good Lord for this beautiful food. Yeah. So let me get into the food. Yeah, it's good, guys. Cheers. Wow. No. Yeah. Spring roll first. The sun. Fine. Can you see? Man, I like those cameras you put like this. I focus out of it. This is nice. Nice filling. That's for you to take a bite. Have a bite. Yeah. Alright. Chicken wings, guys. Right. Hang on. I got my mukbang stuff ready, and then the neighbour thought he would start his lawnmower today. So he was mowing his lawn and I had to wait. And just before he was finished, he goes and starts to rip his nipper. Right. And before I started filming, there was no sun. That's right, everything's against me. Well, better watch it out. There's the little flappy bits on the end. some. So my nephew and his girlfriend has this baby reveal celebration happening on Saturday, this coming Saturday. I said to him that I think it's going to be a boy. Had my washing out. And my blankets. Because it's getting warm now, so it's time to start hanging out, wash the blankets. Well, the thick blankets anyway, the heavy warm ones. And store it away for next winter. When people say that they watch my video and get hungry, I understand. When I watch other people's videos, I think, I'm gonna chase. We went and visit Tealish. Brown. Yeah, we got some brownies for us. See, I forgot to do the thumbnail. I can't even see me, you know. I tell you guys, this sun came out of nowhere, even though we know where the sun comes from, but anyway. Oh. Have you seen that video where that girl eats the octopus alive? She mentally prepared herself for that one, didn't she? If you guys have seen it. I was thinking, get out of town. Poor octopus. Nah. What am I talking about? Eating chicken wings, huh? We went to buy these chicken wings, right? Now I have to go out. Can he make more? But he didn't want to. Anyway, so that's alright. And then my daughter goes in the order of food. And then he asked me if that's my daughter. And I said, yeah. And he turned around and said, yeah, you're bigger than your mom. Therefore, oh, come on, man. Don't say that about my daughter. But, you know what she said to me? that she goes, no, she goes, I'm not coming here again. And then after that she goes, well, I don't care. You go, this is the process of you know, having confidence. And I was proud. I was proud to hear it, you see. Because when we were at Polytube, and there was the girl there named Arby Barbie, right? And every time she would speak, I like the way she would speak and say things about not caring what people think and stuff like that. So I told my daughter about her. So she added to Arby Barbie's Instagram, and I tell you what, my daughter really loves her. Loves how uplifting she is. So this is Arby Barbie, guys. She's, you know, she's like inspiring to the girls that's, you know, that wears bigger size clothes, like myself. And my daughter, watch her. Because normally my daughter hides away, you know, because she doesn't feel confident. But thanks to Arby Barbie, she's yeah, getting encouraged. Yeah, I said to her, I don't care what people say. I know it's easy said than done, you know. I think if I was a big girl all my life, I wouldn't understand what I'm saying. But I've had the opportunity to be slim, and now I'm a bigger size. Because only it's because of my age, guys. Only because it's my age. Should never worry about what people think. You know, there's two things that I told my daughter. Well, there's three. One of the most important. I said to her, look, remember God to always pray every day. And secondly, always remember to be confident, not cocky, be confident. That's what I told her. And be nice to others. Be nice to people. Yeah, that's what I told her. I said, God first. Be nice to people. And be confident. If you're nice to people, then you have no woe. You just be nice to people. And most of all, always thank God every day, I told her. That can be a filling drink, guys. Just see the sun's dying down there, you can see me, eh? I can see my battery dying. I tried to charge it, but I used it when I went to do my shopping with my son. So guys, you guys take care if the camera dies. So I was walking around, taking my son around on an empty stomach. I was so fear I'm going right there before it. You know what, guys? These other two chicken wings, I've noticed that they're not cooked properly inside, so I can't risk it. Okay. So, I just eat my spring rolls. In America, they call it egg roll. Doesn't have an egg in them, but doesn't have a spring in it either. So, yeah. You know, whoever makes it and want to call it spring roll, spring roll. Egg roll, egg roll. So happy. I'm so happy to get this food. Oh, it's walking around here, I'm telling them how we are. I'm telling my son. And then after this, I have to go make dinner. But now, guys, time to say, take care, Kia Manuia, always give the thanks to the good Lord, give the thanks, Bobby, Yolo, right, come and leave me in the yeah, so, oh, right, this is what I got from Delish. My daughter was telling me about it, right, oh, look, this is honey cake you get at Delish Brownies. Let me have a taste. It got a hint of it like a gingerbread cake, but yeah, it's yours. Yeah, it does. It's nice. Because you know, I like gingerbread, man. There's more flavors stuff from it. I always appreciate people that do that. Oh, food. They do it, we buy and eat it. Yum. Because it's a win-win situation. We're happy, they're happy they get money, but the love that goes into making their food. I even bought brownies. You guys want me to show you? Doesn't matter. Right. Look at that. The others, they got kidnapped. My other kids helped themselves. I'm going to give a bit of slice for my mum, but not a lot. Because she can't really eat sweet stuff much. I can't feed it to her much. She's getting a bit, you know, she don't need it. Sweetness, I mean. She already got a lot of sweetness, my mama. I'm going to chuck this back into the oven. I'll roast it a bit to cook it properly. Right? That's why I was tearing apart the wings to have a look which is the cooked one. But the other two was cooked and those two was not. Okay. Bye guys, you guys take care, okay? Oh, the greys are coming. The greys are coming. The greys are coming. Oh, why do we hide? Our greys. Hey, boleh aku hide kako greys saya? Hey, we just all about the beauty without, and because we got some beauty within. Oh yeah, huh? Stop it. Okay, bye for now. Gosh, I talk too much.